Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the windscreen wiper mechanism and motor on Volkswagen Golf 5. The windscreen wiper mechanism is located behind this plastic cover, so in order to get access to it, first we need to remove the windscreen wiper arms. Afterwards we're going to remove this plastic cover and then we'll have access to the windscreen wiper mechanism. To remove the windscreen wiper arms, first we're going to remove these plastic caps, then we're going to remove the two nuts holding each wiper arm, and then I'm going to use locking pliers just to make the wiper arms come out easier. I have a video on my channel of exactly how to remove the windscreen wiper arms, so if you don't know how to remove it, just check out my video. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the windscreen wiper arms removed. Now next I'm going to remove this plastic cover. All we need to do is pull it out. And now we have access to the windscreen wiper mechanism and the wiper motor. We can see that the wiper mechanism is broken, so that's why I'm going to be replacing it. It's held by two bolts, Torx bolts, the two on both sides. We need to remove those bolts and then take out the mechanism along with the motor. Okay, now we're going to take out the mechanism. You can see the mechanism is broken. When we lift up the mechanism, the wiper motor is there is an electrical connector on it. We need to disconnect that connector and then take out the mechanism. And that's the wiper mechanism along with the motor out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. This is the new mechanism. We're going to take the old wiper motor from the old mechanism and put it on the new mechanism. The motor is held by three Torx bolts and that middle nut that's turning the mechanism. We removed that nut. Now I'm going to get a pry bar to try and pry out this metal thing that's turning the mechanism. You just pry it out on both sides and it will come out. And that's how it comes out. Next we're going to remove the three bolts holding the motor to the mechanism. Now we're going to take the motor and put it on the new mechanism and install it in the exact same way. There is exact spot where you have to put the new wiper motor on. I'll show you where it is now. We need to turn it the mechanism one more time and we'll see where the the spaces. We turn it like that, and you see where those two dipped things are on the metal, on the mechanism. That's where exactly you put the wiper motor, and this is the metal plate that we put it on top of the wiper motor and then put on to the 3 bolts. Now we're going to tighten the bolts, and then we're going to put the other thing of the mechanism where the motor is turning the mechanism. We're going to put it on the wiper motor and put the nut on and tighten it. And as the wiper motor is installed on the mechanism, now we're going to go and put it on the car. First we're going to connect the electrical connector, and then we're going to put the mechanism in its place. Now we're going to put the mechanism in its place, but it doesn't seem to want to go in all the way, because when I took it out it was broken, so I took it in pieces. If it doesn't want to go in all the way, there is this plastic cover on the front that we need to remove by 2 bolts, and we'll get more space then. This is one of the bolts right there, and the other bolt is on the other side, and then we'll just pull out this plastic cover on the firewall. Here you can see I'm pulling out this plastic cover, and I'm making more space for the windscreen wiper mechanism to go in. Now I'll put it in its place and put the 2 bolts on and tighten them. After I put the 2 bolts on, then I'm going to put the plastic cover back on, and then the windscreen wiper arms back on. And then we're done with replacing the mechanism and the motor. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.